The BN-Link 7-day in-wall astronomical digital timer is simple and easy to use. The timer comes with the timer itself, the wall plate, as well as the necessary screws and twist-on wire connectors. Let's get started with wiring. Always have a qualified electrician to install this product. First, cut off the power at the breaker. Uninstall your current switch. Ensure you have a neutral wire in your wall box. Connect the black wire of the timer to the hot wire in the wall box. Connect the red wire of the timer to the load's hot wire. Connect the white wire of the timer to the neutral wire in the wall box. Connect the green wire of the timer to the ground wire in the wall box. Lastly, push the timer in and screw everything in. Turn the power back on at the breaker. Your outlet is now wired. If the screen is blank, dim, or flashing, then allow 10 minutes for the battery to charge, and then push the reset button. Press Set to set the date and time. Use the minus and plus buttons to toggle to the correct year, then push Set again. Now it's time to set the date. The left number is the month, and the right number is the day. Use the minus and plus buttons to toggle to the correct date. Then push Set again. Now, set the time by using the minus and plus buttons to toggle to the correct time. Then push Set again. Next, toggle Daylight Savings Time mode off or on with the minus and plus buttons as well. Then push Set again. Next, select your time zone. PAC is Pacific, MOU is Mountain, CEN is Central, and EAS is Eastern. Press Set, and now the sunrise time for your specific area and date will be flashing. You can toggle the sunrise time with the minus and plus buttons if incorrect. You can use the internet to find the sunrise time for your specific area. Press the Set button and follow the same steps for sunset time, and then Set again. You can leave the settings area at any stage by holding Set for 3 seconds or waiting 90 seconds without pushing any buttons. To set on and off events, push Program. Press Set to set the first on event. Use the minus and plus buttons to toggle to the day or days you want, then push Set. Next, toggle to the time of day you want the switch to turn on. You can choose sunrise and sunset for the on event by pressing the DD key once or twice. The sun icon indicates sunrise. The moon icon indicates sunset. Then push Set. You can turn off or on the on setting by pushing one of the on-off buttons, which are the 2 unlabeled buttons. Press the Program button to now set the time or event that will turn the switch off following the same steps. Push Program to set the second on-off setting. You can set up to 18 on-off routines. Hold the Program button for 3 seconds to exit the program area, or wait 90 seconds without touching any buttons. You can push Program at any time to see the current set routines. Push Set to edit any routine. To delete a routine, push an on-off button when on the selected routine. Be sure to also delete the off portion of the routine as well. You can restore the routine by pushing an on-off button again on the same routine. To switch between manual and auto mode, hold one of the on-off buttons for 3 seconds until the indicator changes. In manual mode, none of the set routines will run, and you can control the switch on and off by pushing the on-off buttons. These buttons are set to where if you close the switch cover, you can control the switch by pushing the cover. In auto mode, you can still do this to turn the switch on and off. However, the switch will then turn on or off when the next routine is triggered. You can activate or deactivate Daylight Savings Mode by holding the plus button for 3 seconds. For random mode, hold the minus button for 3 seconds. RND will display. Random mode requires at least one on-off routine to be set. The random mode will activate the on and off routines postponed by 0 to 30 minutes. For more information, please consult the manual that came with the product. Thank you for choosing BN Link.